Okay, Red, do you think you can take me? Oh, you've been training. Good. You're gonna need it. Let's do this. Ready, set, go! Okay, Red, you're bringing your A game. Let's do it again. Ready, set, go! Again. Ready, set, go! Stop talking jazz, Red. You have 60 million years of training on me. You know what? I'm done. I want to see what Captain Chaseman's doing. Captain Chaseman, are you there? Captain Chaseman, are you there? Captain Coleman, hello, Captain Coleman. What is it? Do you want to go race car driving? No, I'm playing Gran Turismo. I'm good for now. Come on, Chase. Why do you want to go so bad, Captain Coleman? Because I can't be wet in the race and I want to go race car driving. Cole, he keeps beating you. Why do you always have to keep doing this to yourself? Do you want to go racing or not, Captain Chaseman? Let me check with Dino Squad first. Great idea. Ask them if they want to go. Hey, Dino Squad, do you want to go to kart racing? It's super fun. Yeah! That's awesome, Dino Squad. I can't show you how we race. Let's go. Dino Squad, thank you so much for racing with us, but we're leaving Red at home. Sorry, Red. No dinosaurs at the racetrack. You're staying home. All right, Dino Squad, let's do this. But first, smash the subscribe button. Let's go. Hey, Dino Squad, what's our code in? And we're gonna race some go-karts today. We're here because we thought it would be fun to go go-kart racing today. And today we have helmet cams. The helmet cams go on this thing. It records everything you do on the track. Yeah, today I'm gonna go full throttle, so it might look like you're going so fast while you're watching it. Captain Coleman, do you think go-karts go that fast? Little kid karts probably do. Probably. Yeah. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go! Yeah! had to comment. We both won. Only one was
Yeah, the last day he like kind of made a mistake. Then I was like, pew! They went, no!
Don't talk about that.
But I was going really fast, like full throttle. Like,
Yeah. Oh, I didn't see the Dino Squad.
we had an awesome time.
Me and Cole both came in first place, but only one race.
And one time, and during the last race, I came first. Chase was in front of me, but then he made a mistake and turned this way. And then I had an advance and went that way, and then I got in front of him.
Only because the slow person was hard to get past.
If they see slow people, they're just gonna point to him, the sign, and say move over. Cause like, if someone's going slow and the person behind you is going faster, they'll tell you to move over so the fast person can get by.
And Dino Squad, one time when I was in front of the pack, I accidentally went too fast and crashed. I was pretty mad because I crashed, maybe because I went a little too fast.
You were too like excited to get in first place, and then oh no!
But I did come in first place. Bye, Dino Squad. But it was fun racing with you guys. And
when we next time we come here with you, we're gonna show you a real race.
Bye bye.
See you later.
Bye, Dino Squad.
And make sure to like and subscribe.